Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about our $500 swing trading challenge. We're going to be showing you guys the strategy, the approach, why we bought in on some of these positions, and like always, we're going to be doing an update on how much money we made or how much money we lost. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys are watching and you're like, who is this guy? My name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market, and with that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people how to trade. It's not a get rich quick, it's not alerts or anything like that. We actually teach you proper techniques, proper strategies to make money in the stock market. And today is the last day for the 50% off code. You guys can use code Halloween to get 50% off. Since Halloween was yesterday, we extended the sale one more day for you guys. So sign up, click that link, and I'll see you guys in there. And guys, let's jump into this. So as of right now, our total account has grown from $500 all the way up to over $1,129, which is fantastic. So what that means is if I would have had $10,000 in this account, we would have grown it to $20,000. If I would have 20, we would have 40. The only thing that's separating me from making more money is just my account size. So this past week, we only made, about $39, which is awesome because percentage wise, that's about a little over 3%, which is awesome, guys. That's what we want. What makes up a successful trader isn't these massive returns. It's these 1, 2, 3% returns that just compound over the course of a year. That's what makes up a very, very successful trader. So let's talk about the stock here that we bought here. This is ticker symbol TXN. This was the trade that we took here. And what do you guys notice? It has this good and steady upward trend, right? Each and every time it hits this trend line, it gets really good buying pressure. So it hits it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. Then recently sold off all the way down to about $192. And the thing about swing trading is you'll never be able to buy at the peak bottom, because the last thing you want to do is have this just continue to sell off down and down and down. So there's some things you guys look for beforehand. One of the things is the RSI. The RSI was trading at a 36, and the last time it was trading for a 36 was back in here. Previous to that was, in here. So we had that good indication of getting good buying pressure. The next thing here is we went ahead and we looked at the hourly chart. At the time of purchase, this is what the hourly chart looked like. It had this really nice trend line here forming a downward trend. So what we are getting in on is a breakout. There's really several different ways you guys can get in on positions. You can get in on lower time frame support, so where you have a lot of buying pressure at, or you can get in on some sort of breakout or trend breakout. And that's what we did here. So you guys can see the stock popped up, and this was all after hours. So we weren't able to get a trade. When the market opened here, we put in an order and we got filled near and around that $99 mark. So yeah, we could have bought lower at 196, but we got in at 199, which in the hindsight isn't that big of a deal, because what we had was still really good risk management. And the reason I say that, getting in here at 99, we set our stop loss down here about 2%, and our target price was up in this range, right? Up in this zone, okay? You guys will see where each and every time it hits that, we just have good tendencies of getting selling pressure, establishing a resistance line or resistant point. So we went ahead, we moved our target up here, and the risk and reward was about 3 to 1, risking $1 to make $3, which, yes, I know some of you say, oh, that's not very good, but honestly, that is good. And let me show you why here. So if you guys had, where are we at right here? If you guys had $500 in an account here. So if you guys had $500, you took, let's just say 30 trades over the course of a year, risking that 2% with a risk and reward of 1 to 3. win-loss percentage of 50%, you would grow your account after 30 trades to about $800, which is good, right? Your job as a trader is to make money, and that's exactly what you would do. So now here, what I did is I actually did something a little different than my larger account. With my larger account, I do carry more risk because I have a little more money to be risky with. With a small account, you really have to focus on nailing trades, buying at breakout, selling at resistance. And that's exactly what we did. We actually sold in near and around that 208 area, which worked out well because then the stock broke down, and we actually sold out of this position with our larger account at about 206. So we did a better trade with the smaller account because we wanted to ensure good profit. And that's the thing about trading, right? The thing about trading is, when you're up on your money and you're profitable and you just want to make sure you have that leverage, take your profit. I've never lost money taking profit early. And I think that a lot of new traders think that every stock they buy is a stock that's going to go to $500. And when in reality, no. You just have to focus on small returns, being profitable, being consistent with good risk management. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. This is our little trade breakdown. If you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. And guys, we'll see you guys in there. Code Halloween for 50% off. So check it out. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.